My first impression of Denmark was in 2002 while I was attending a PhD summer school in Copenhagen. It was a fantastic summer with warm weather and long days, a lot of light. And I remember it was the strawberry season, which is quite short in Denmark, but it's quite intense. Fantastic strawberries. My name is Matteo. I have a PhD in material chemistry. I've been working since 2008 in Plougmann Vingtoft. In 2008, I started feeling that being a scientist was not what I wanted to do for life, and that was the reason why I applied. I didn't know much about the IP work, but I had this understanding that it was towards that direction where I wanted to go, business and science together. And I'm now a senior patent attorney. At the time I started, the founders were not active anymore in the company. However, the atmosphere that they built was still very present. It's a very open environment where you can all share opinion, ideas, which then leads to the next step of finding a common solution together. The people around you, so as one of my colleagues mentioned, it's a very specific kind of people. They are sort of extrovert, nerd. It's two words which are a bit clashing, but they actually did define the quality you need to have to be a good attorney. As a senior patent attorney in Plougmann Vingtoft, my tasks span from drafting prosecution, the chess game with the authority, where you try to find the best argumentation to convince an examiner of your opinion, but also that you have the opportunity to be very creative, to take all the building blocks that the inventors provide you and build them in a way that would have acceptance and hopefully lead to a granted patent. A good day at PV is when I have the opportunity to share my ideas with my colleagues in finding a good solution to a difficult problem. The great thing about living in Denmark is that public institutions, healthcare, childcare, school, hospitals, all these services that in Southern European countries generally lacks or are completely absent, are on the other hand very efficient here in Denmark. One thing I recall from Italy is indeed that if you want to have a family, if you want to have kids, you need your grandparents' support. Here you can count on childcare in a nice environment. Copenhagen has a really good public transportation systems built by an Italian company. I come from Italy.